Namaste. Welcome to this national MOOC on AI tools for social science research, proudly offered on SWAYAM Platform. Hi, myself Dr. Vishwajeet Vinayak Gaike, Assistant Professor of Organizational Behavior and HR Management with 15 years of experience in industry as well as in academia, including extensive work in AI-powered researches. This MOOC specifically is designed for the researchers belonging from the disciplines like management, psychology, anthropology, education, sociology, and political science. The objectives of this course includes to integrate the AI tools directly into the research workflows, to accelerate the research efficiency across the concept mapping, literature synthesis, survey automation, and qualitative data management, to cultivate the sustainable and high impact innovations in modern social science researchers. Now let's explore the course structure. This is the 3-credit course spanning over 12 weeks and comprises 30 modules organized in 6 units. So Unit 1 discusses about the introduction of AI in social science research, and Unit 2 in the AI augmentation for concept mapping. When Unit 3 takes about the tech-oriented literature review and research methodology, Unit 4 discusses about the data sourcing and survey optimization. Unit 5 about the flawless data management with machine learning, and Unit 6 related to the ethical AI and sustainable use of AI. Each session integrates a real-life case examples, tools walkthrough, and interactive learning. Now let's discuss the learning outcomes. Upon the successful completion of this MOOC, you will be able to understand the prompt engineering principles and enhance research efficiency. Utilize the specialized AI tools to construct the robust concept networks and formulate the highly precise research problems. Examining the complex social science data sets to execute the automated data cleaning, sorting, and impressive graphical representation. Then compile the citation-rich AI-augmented literature reviews using the large language models while actively mitigating the potential academic hallucinations. Design the original and ethical research project. This course aligns with NCRF Level 6. So it targets the advanced research methodologies, AI augmentation, and data mining. By enrolling in this MOOC, you will unlock the high-paying employability opportunities such as AI research consultants, market research analyst, social data scientist, public policy analyst, and business intelligence consultants. Whether you are a student, fellow educator, or social science researcher, this MOOC will give you the unique opportunity to future-proof your research capabilities. So join us in this transformative journey in the world of AI-enhanced social science research. Enroll today on SWAYAM, and I look forward to learning with you.